DMEM's industrial group projects are a key facet of the educational experience at DMEM, a highly significant and visible mechanism for knowledge exchange and innovation. Organizations are offered to submit project briefs, and in dialogue we will allocate senior undergraduate and postgraduate student teams with academic supervision to tackle the challenge, working in depth with the client company from September to May, providing solution concepts to challenges faced.
Students get a hands-on experience before they graduate with industry, which is something that not a lot of universities are able to offer.
We have been running industrial group projects, or IGP, for our senior undergraduate and postgraduate students for over 25 years, and it has become an integral part of the DMEM learning experience. Main benefits for the students is access to projects from industry and other external organizations, and that facilitates access to real-world challenges, skills development, and project management experience.
Project partners have, for some decades now and counting, included several hundreds of organizations from near and far, small and large, public and private.
Scottish Engineering got involved with the industrial group project class because we see it as a real advantage to industry to engage in a really practical way with academia. Our member companies talk to us about what they get back from working with students. They get the energy and the enthusiasm, they get that diversity of thought and ideas. Come and see, come and hear from the students and see how it could be of a benefit to your business.
I am a MEng product design engineering student. We're designing an interactive trade show model. We kind of were pushed to essentially the forefront.
I'm a product design engineer at Strathclyde. It's been so exciting working with them, honestly. It's just an amazing opportunity to work with a company and say that you've done something to this scale before you even graduated. I'm excited to get networking.
Join us. Be active in delivering total engineering for a flourishing society, creating responsible, sustainable, and healthy futures.